Flame kisses wood beneath my hands. Watercolor flows where the embers stand, turning simple moments into something grand. This is where my quiet fire begins.
Wood meets fire in a lover's touch. Watercolor whispers, it means so much. From deep inside, this fire calls my name, turning ordinary into eternal flame.
Smoky creations born from love so true, hand and heart creating something new. Colors explode, passion takes flight. This is my fire, this is my life. This is art on fire, feel the power rise. Creativity exploding right before your eyes. Wow, wow, take it in, let it blow your mind. This is what happens when the soul aligns.
Sparks awaken what the hands create. Watercolor healing, sealing every fate. Brush and burn, heart laid bare. Every masterpiece born from love and care.
Gentle fire guided by these hands. What I love the most is what I give. From the flame to the flow, the story survives. Handmade with soul, this is how I thrive.
Smoky creations crafted out of love. Every single piece carries my soul home. Colors come alive and steal the show. This is my heart, this is what I know.
This is all